If you're running a FiveM server and want to give your players something more than a Discord server and a spreadsheet, the JDB-NET FiveM dashboard gives your community its own dedicated web portal, branded entirely to your server. The landing page is the first thing your players see. It shows your server name, your logo, and a custom tagline you set yourself. It also pulls live data directly from your FiveMServer, showing whether the server is online or offline, how many players are currently connected, your Discord member count, and your total character count. Everything updates automatically, no manual configuration required after the initial setup. Players log in using Discord, which means only members of your Discord server can access the dashboard. No separate accounts, no passwords for your players to forget. As part of the initial setup, you'll install a Discord bot into your server. Once configured, your players can query their character information directly from Discord using bot commands, checking their stats, vehicles, and properties without needing to open the dashboard. It's a great quality of life addition for players who spend a lot of time in Discord between sessions. After logging in, players land on the character select page. This shows them some useful stats, how long they've spent on the server, when they first joined, and when they last played. Each of their characters is listed so they can see at a glance which character they want to jump into. They simply click a character to continue. This is the main dashboard. At a glance, a player can see their character's basic information, how much cash and bank balance they have, and a summary of their owned assets, how many vehicles and properties they own. Their current job and gang information is shown, along with their skill levels and XP progress if your server uses CWREP. On the right, their personal inventory is displayed with item icons and quantities. And if you've uploaded your OX inventory items file in the admin panel, your players will see the friendly item names rather than raw values. There's also a search button that opens a modal where players can search across their personal inventory, all their vehicle trunks and glove boxes, and all their property stashes simultaneously. Results appear almost instantly as they type. From the navigation at the top, players can browse their own vehicles. Each vehicle card shows the model name, license plate, fuel level, engine condition, body condition, and the contents of the trunk and glove box. Players can also browse your configured dealerships directly from the dashboard. The dealership page shows available vehicles with their model images, category, price, and current stock levels. Players can filter by category, price range, and stock availability, making it easy to find exactly what they're looking for before heading to the dealership in-game. The properties page shows a player's own properties with the address, purchase price, purchase date, and a view details button linking them to a page that shows everything from furniture to items stored in the property. If your server has properties available for sale or rent, those can be browsed here too. The banking page gives players a clear view of their account balance and a full history of recent transactions, useful for keeping track of in-game finances without having to check in-game. Admins can create custom pages that are only visible to players with a specific job. These are perfect for things like shift schedules, job guides, recipes for restaurant jobs, or police department resources. Google Sheets can be embedded directly into these pages, so if your staff already manage rosters or documents there, your players can access them without leaving the dashboard. Players can submit applications directly through the dashboard: job applications, whitelist applications, staff applications, gang applications, business applications, and content creator applications. Each application type can be configured with its own custom form questions, and when a player submits one, the relevant admin is notified instantly via a Discord webhook to the channel of your choice. If a player has an active ban in TXadmin and they log into the dashboard, they are automatically presented with a ban appeal form rather than access to their profile, keeping the appeal process clean and centralized. Note that ban appeals require the Pro tier. You can also publish your server rules and a help guide directly within the dashboard, giving your players one place to find everything they need without hunting through Discord channels. Now for the admin side. Admins can log in with a username and password, or link their Discord account and log in with Discord for convenience. The admin dashboard gives you a high-level overview of your account, storage used for inventory icons, vehicle images, and database backups if you're on the Pro tier. Below that, server-wide analytics show you total cash in circulation, total wealth held in banks, average wealth per character, your richest and poorest players, total character count, and total vehicles. It's a genuinely useful snapshot of your server's economy at any point in time. You can also configure quick access links here for your other admin tools, your Grafana logging dashboard, your TX admin panel, or anything else your staff need to access regularly. The dashboard is extensively configurable from the admin panel. Under theme settings you can set your server name, a landing page tagline, choose between light, dark, or automatic theme mode, set your accent color to match your server's branding, and configure how your logo is displayed. From there you can point the dashboard at your FiveMServer's database, configure your Discord OAuth credentials, and use the script configuration page to tell the dashboard exactly which FiveM scripts your server uses, whether that's PS Housing, QS Housing, JG Dealerships, Renewed Banking, or any of the other supported scripts. This ensures the dashboard uses the correct database queries for your setup. Individual pages can be enabled or disabled depending on what your server supports. If you don't use rentable properties, for example, just disable that page and it won't appear for your players. The asset upload page is where you upload your inventory item icons and vehicle images. You can also upload your OX inventory config files directly and the dashboard will parse them automatically, extracting the friendly item label so your players see proper item names rather than raw identifiers. The Stash Inspector is a handy admin tool. Enter a player name or stash ID and view its contents in a clean formatted list, without needing to query your database directly. Useful for admin situations where you need to quickly check what a player has in a specific stash. Every action taken by an admin is recorded in the audit log, who did what and when, giving you full accountability across your staff team. Every page in the player dashboard has a help button in the bottom right corner. When a player submits a report or support request, it appears here in the admin panel and triggers a Discord notification so your team can respond quickly. Pro tier subscribers can configure automated database backups directly from the admin panel. This keeps a separate copy of your FiveMServer's database independently of your server host, so if anything goes wrong, you have a clean backup to restore from. Backup storage counts towards your planned storage allowance, visible on the main admin dashboard. The admin users page is where you create and manage your admin team, set usernames, assign roles, change passwords, or remove users who are no longer part of your staff. Roles define exactly what each admin can and cannot do. You can create as many custom roles as you need with granular permission controls. You can also link a role to a Discord role ID. When you do this, admin accounts are created and deleted automatically as members join or leave that Discord role, so you never have to remember to manually add or remove staff access. That covers everything included in the JDB-NET FiveM dashboard. Plans start from £15 per month and include a 5-day free trial so you can get everything set up and see it working with your server before you commit. Go to the link in the description to get started, and if you have any questions or need help with the setup, support is included with every plan. Just open a ticket on our website. Thanks for watching.